Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce coffee reviews. And as usual, I'm joined by my husband, Rick.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
How's everybody doing?
Doing all right?
Good. It looks like you've got, now, I don't know what's in the middle of this tray. I'm going to assume there's some sort of a coffee thing going on there. The fruit and the marshmallows have my attention.
I thought you would enjoy the marshmallows.
Yeah, I love marshmallows.
Yeah.
So, all right, but what do you got?
I have a lot of frozen coffee beans in the fridge.
In the freezer.
Oh yeah, freezer.
Yeah.
And it's taking up half, at least a quarter. It's overflowing over a quarter of our freezer. So with the summer kind of coming to an end, and it was just your birthday.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes, it was.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
We got you a Dairy Queen ice cream cake. And there was all that thick fudge in there.
And it was just you and I that got to eat it. I was really happy about that.
I bet you were.
Got to dine on that for a few days. It was good.
Yeah. So I was trying to think of ideas of how to get rid of the frozen coffee beans, because it's okay when you're doing like maybe an iced coffee and you're putting lots of sweet stuff and cream and stuff to make it taste really good. However, I wanted to try something else. Mm-hmm. And I wanted to put a smile on your face because you're so busy and your energy isn't quite up there, not like mine.
No coffee.
Well, I've been sampling.
Bing, bing, bing.
They always call on Sheriff. Bing, bing, bing. Ricochet Rabbit. Come on.
Hot fudge. So I made it from scratch, and I did put espresso coffee in there.
Okay.
And I think it turned out really good. And
I might assume by your energy level that it turned out really good.
I'm trying to stay calm, but I'm feeling so revved up. Not only on caffeine, but sugar and fat, butter. So
what did you put in there? What did you use for ingredients to make that up?
Okay, so you start off with butter, a bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips.
I feel like I'm gonna have to
I'm making noise again. I'm always making noise. It's the sugar.
It's the sugar.
You let it melt in a pot, and then you slowly add some sugar, evaporated milk. Mm-hmm. And once I had that all blended up, I added a double shot of espresso.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. This
could be interesting.
Yeah.
All right.
So
I'm going to go with the pineapple first.
Oh, the pineapple's good.
Is it a good one?
Mm-hmm. It's a golden pineapple.
Because pineapple is one of those things that can, if you have sweets or whatever, it can be kind of harsh. Mmm. Oh yeah, that's good. You can taste the coffee. Holy Hannah.
Oh really?
Oh really? Oh really? What makes you say that? What makes it coffee? I didn't put that much coffee in it.
Oh boy.
Holy moly. Yeah, there's coffee.
Okay, cool. Because I was thinking, oh, maybe I needed to add another double shot in there. Okay. The nice thing the coffee does is it mellows out the sweetness. It takes out a lot of that.
Oh yeah, it does. It really, it does. I would say it's pretty well balanced. It's definitely, there's a chocolate flavor to it, but man, you get that after note of the coffee. Mm-hmm. That's good. A really nice alternative to just regular straight up sweet.
I'm sorry.
She's like manic. What do you think of it?
Oh dear.
Somebody's not sleeping tonight.
Oh boy. We're going out after this. You gotta go for a walk.
I'm pretty chill. I've been literally sitting working on the computer all day. And I'm just it's like that thing's coming at you. That's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that'd be a real success at a party as a dip.
Well, that's what I was saying. Summertime parties usually come in Labor Day weekend, long weekend. Before you try that one, I'm gonna switch up.
Uh-oh.
I have a different concoction here.
Oh no.
Same thing, but one more additional ingredient.
With this one?
Mm-hmm. You got...
It's getting a skin on the top there.
Just...
If I do that, I'm going to lose the marshmallow inside.
Here, I'll give it a stir.
Peanut butter?
Yeah!
Oh, wow.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Shabam!
I think it's probably one of the best things I've made with coffee.
Wowzers.
Maybe second to the chili. Coffee chili.
This one? That one was good.
Mm-hmm.
This one? Whoo.
You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy.
It's really good. Wow.
And all that experimentation, filling myself up, because I had to try it.
I'm sure you did.
I did. Like, I've had, like, tablespoons.
It's really good. This, folks, I'm going to tell you right now. So what was in this one here then?
Same thing.
So butter, sugar.
So you throw butter in the pot. You can put the recipe down below.
Mm-hmm.
Butter, semi-sweet chocolate chips, sugar, evaporated milk,
Mm-hmm.
peanut butter.
How much peanut butter?
Double shot of espresso.
How much peanut butter?
I put like a 1/4 cup.
For that little thing?
There's another one of these. We have 3 of these. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, so I had to experiment.
Oh my god. Like this is going to be the diabetic coma coming on here.
Exactly.
Very good.
Did you try strawberry?
Not yet.
So yeah, you...
Licking fruit around here.
Oh dear.
Would you like some blueberry with your chocolate? Oh my goodness, Paula.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's very good. It is very good.
I was gonna get ice cream, but...
Mm-hmm. Oh man. Yeah, I mean, that strawberry's got some pucker power to it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think that anybody who is going to have some sort of like a little party function, and you know, if you've done those chocolate fountains and that kind of stuff, this is a great alternative.
Yeah.
It really is. Like honestly, I would rather have this than the chocolate fountain. Yeah, this got more flavor notes to it. You're getting the chocolate, you get the coffee, you get the peanut butter, and hey, great way to use the coffee and keep the party going all night long.
Oh yeah.
Awesome. Mm-hmm. Wow. What made you think of that?
Well, I just was thinking about your birthday and that cake, that ice cream cake, and the fudge in the center. So I went into my trusty Better Homes and Garden cookbook that is falling apart. I've had that thing for over 20 years.
It's a good little cookbook.
Yeah. And the recipe is very simple. There's so many, I researched out other recipes, but they were just, you know, some use cocoa powder plus vanilla plus all the stuff that...
I'm surprised you didn't use cocoa powder because you usually do. You use cocoa powder for a lot of your stuff. Mm-hmm. You do a lot of your stuff from scratch, right?
Yes, but I just liked the ratio of the ingredients and the fact that it was pretty simple.
En garde. Repartee. All right. Well, thank you for this. Great job. No, seriously, it's a great job. You did.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was really good.
Okay.
I honestly, I'll get the ingredients from you and I'll put it in the video description. Mm-hmm. You folks. If you're not clinking ice, you're... All I need is Paul in the background, just, you know. So, I'll put the recipe in the description for you guys. Mm-hmm. And you got to try it. Honestly, it's definitely worth trying and very tasty. Probably not real low calorie, though.
Nope.
But hey, the heck with it. Mm-hmm. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for tuning in. This was a short and sweet one.
Thank you. Yeah.
And what coffee did you use in this one?
I used a Lion's Bay, I think it was Ocean View.
Really good. Mm-hmm. Really good. So, and it helps to thin out our coffee in the freezer too.
Yes.
But you know what? When the end of the world comes, we'll be prepared for it with our coffee.
Indeed, we will be.
We'll be able to stay up all night and watch it come in. All right, folks, thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, click that subscribe button. We really need your help on this. And don't forget to click the little reminder bell so you don't miss any future segments. And where else do they need to do, Paul? What else?
Go to our store. Mm-hmm. groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca
Yeah.
or groundsfordivorce
Coffee.
Store.
Yeah, always catch her flat-footed on that. All right, listen, we'll talk to you next week, folks. Thanks so much.
Ciao, ciao.